Welcome to third AV. Unfortunately, our country is less open to inclusive learning for children with TLD. Unless handled efficiently, these disorders often transform to conditions like anxiety and depression. Parents, teachers, educators, and other stakeholders must insist on the need to uplift children with LD. These children need to be handled carefully in their own space. They need love, encouragement, and moral support so that they can emerge with great self confidence, self worth, and determination. Now, this is the passage regarding learning disability. Now, here different kinds of learning disabilities are given. Here, types are there. For example, dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, specific reading disability, auditory processing disorder, etc. Now, according to the nature of the passage, now we have to convert into summary writing. Now, which steps are given here? Step number 1. Use the following steps for summary writing. Read the article twice. Read the article twice. Step 2. Ask questions about the purpose of writing. एक दोन वेळाला तो पॅसेज जो आपला आहे तो पुन्हा पुन्हा वाचा. काय करायचंय ते बघा. स्टेप नंबर 3. आयडेंटिफाय द मेन आयडिया. काय संकल्पना आहे, मुख्य संकल्पना काय आहे ती ओळखा. राईट द फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट. पहिला ड्राफ्टिंग, पहिला मसुदा, पहिलं लेखन तयार करा. रिव्हाइज युअर फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट अँड क्रेडिट इट. पुन्हा एकदा ते रिव्हाइज करा, त्यात काही करेक्शन्स करता येतील का ते बघा. स्टेप नंबर 6. राईट द फायनल ड्राफ्ट. आणि त्याचं फायनल ड्राफ्टिंग जे आहे ते तयार करा. नाव हिअर एक्झाम्पल इज गिवन टू यू. In what way you can convert the same passage into summary. Title is given here, learning disability handle with care. Okay, now the whole passage, that means this passage is covered into short by using the title learning disability handle with care. Okay, what is the content now? Learning disability is an umbrella term for many learning problems like reading, writing, listening, speaking, reasoning, maths, and others physical and motor difficulty. These problems need to be identified and investigated. A child can be diagnosed with more than one learning disability like dyslexia, dysgraphia, auditory processing disorder, etc. Such disorders can be dealt with using various methods in a regular classroom. One of the ways is inclusion. Implementation of inclusion may vary, but it has a positive effect on the learning disabled. Though the idea of inclusion is not popular in our country, it can prove useful to handle with such children. Along with the methods and technique, the children also need encouragement and moral support to progress with self-confidence and determination. Okay, now in this way, summary writing technique is given to us. In simple, I only tell you one thing. Summary means to make into short without change in the meaning of the passage. Okay. संक्षिप्त करणं, सारांश करणं. Now here we turn to next activity, brainstorming activity. Complete the following as instructed. Read the passage and write its summary according to the given steps. Communication is a part of our everyday life. We greet one another, smile or frown depending on our moods. Animals too communicate much to our surprise, just like us. Interaction among animals can be both verbal or non-verbal. Singing is one way in which animals can interact with one another. Male blackbirds often use their melodious songs to catch the attention of the female. These songs are usually rich in notes variation, encoding various kinds of messages. Songs are also used to warn and keep off other blackbirds from their territory, usually a place where they dwell and reproduce. Large mammals in the ocean sing too, according to adventurous sailors. Enormous whales groan and grunt while smaller dolphins and porpoises porpoises produce pings. A porpoise stands for one kind of fish. Porpoises produce pings. Pings means one kind of sound. Pings, whistles, and clicks. These sounds are surprisingly received by other mates as far as several hundred kilometers away. Now here one of the paragraph is given to us, and accordingly we have to convert the passage, the paragraph, into summary or writing of this paragraph. Now if you see this passage carefully, you can easily conclude that the passage is regarding communication. Okay, in what way you can communicate? That means the main idea of the passage is communication. In what way animals communicate, mammals communicate, or we all animals, we all human beings communicate. That means communication is the main idea here. If you read carefully, you can summarize this topic in this way. Now simple communication. Now in what way we can summarize? Communication is a part of our everyday life. Animals communicate with the help of verbal and non-verbal mode. Singing is a means of communication in animals. Here giving singing is main means of communication in animals. Male blackbirds, here male blackbirds often use their melodious songs, here melodious songs rich in various types of notes variation to catch the attention of the female and to warn and long of other blackbirds from their territory. Large mammals in the ocean like whale, dolphins, and porpoises also produce pings, whistles, and clicks. These sounds are surprisingly received by other mates as far as several hundred kilometers away. In this way, we can summarize the passage in short. Okay, now we turn to next part. A2. Cut redundant words. Redundant means repetitive words is called as redundant. We are often inefficient in our language, using more words than necessary. Consider the following phrases. Find 5 more redundant words. We are often inefficient in our language, using more words than necessary. रिपिटेटिव्ह वर्ड वापरतो की नाही आपण, तर शब्द कमी करा. समरी करताना शब्द आपल्याला कमी करायचे आहेत. कन्सिडर द फॉलोइंग फ्रेजेस, फाइंड 5 मोर रिडंडंट वर्ड्स. बघूया इथे काय कमी केलंय. नंबर 1, सर्कल अराउंड कॅन बिकम सर्कल. बघा, इन दिस वे ओनली सर्कल अराउंड कॅन बिकम सर्कल. राइट डाउन कॅन बिकम राइट. that means these words round, down, only here around, down omitted here. Added bonus is simply a bonus only. Get to the point as quickly as possible is really get to the point only. That means this part can omitted. Redundant, repetitive words should be close proximity. Proximity means in close of, means proximity. जवळ, सानिध्यात, close is there only. Drawing the course of only turns into drawing. That means by using the long sentence, don't use repetitive words, and we have to convert into circle. Now different kinds of examples. Find 5 more redundant words. Now which are the redundant words? For example, very fast. We usually use very fast. Instead of very fast, we can use quick. Next, very tasty. Instead of very tasty, we can use delicious. Okay, we turn to